What is brushing process? Abrasion is a process in the textile industry. Through the abrasion machine, an emery skin of a friction effect makes the cloth surface to form a layer of short pile. Not only retains the original characteristics, but also gives the fabric a new style to increase the warmth and softness for winter warm products and close to the body. To use the product of cotton type of abrasion, woolen warm, and at the same time can be able to absorb moisture and breathable, while synthetic fiber material once the temperature reaches more than 32 degrees due to the lack of air and moisture absorption. Temperature has been rising the human body after sweating. It will be easy to catch a cold, and moisture absorption temperature will continue to rise after the human body sweating. It will be easy to catch a cold. The brushed tweed gives the fabric a new feel and upscale style with a delicate, smooth and comfortable hand. Did you learn to waste it?